video, Limoncello Tiramisu. Ingredients you will need will be 5 eggs divided, yolks, and egg whites. You will need 4 tablespoons of sugar divided, 2 tablespoons of limoncello, another cup of limoncello, 1 cup of whipping cream, 1 package of Savioli or ladyfinger cookies, 1 4-ounce container of mascarpone. Our first cream with egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk until the sugar has dissolved and the egg yolks become pale in color. Next, add 2 tablespoons of limoncello. 1 tablespoon for you and 1 tablespoon for me. Put in your 4 ounces of mascarpone cream cheese. Now that we have a nice smooth cream, put this one aside in the fridge while you do the others. For the egg whites, the remaining 2 tablespoons of sugar, and whisk until stiff peaks form. Now we have our stiff peaks, cup of whipping cream, whisk until you get stiff peaks. Perfect. Next, we fold half of the egg whites into each mixture. Half into the whipping cream and half into your limoncello mascarpone cream. Gently fold. Now we have both of our creams for our limoncello tiramisu. I'm going to break one of the ladyfingers in half, dunk it in quickly so that it doesn't get soggy. So we want it to absorb the creams so that it turns into sort of like a cake. A little bit of the darker limoncello cream in first. Then your light cream. Your dark cream. Then your lighter cream. It's sort of like building a lasagna, but with sweet limoncello. Another layer of ladyfingers. And then finally topping it off, the ladyfinger on the top. Wipe off the excess. Great zest. Over the top.